Life has been really challenging lately. Since the beginning of this year, I felt like always riding a roller coaster of emotions. I don't feel like myself at all. I felt like an alien to myself. I don't know who I am anymore. I felt lost and alone, and I'm trying to get out from it. I know that I have to stay true and honest with myself, and I don't want to positive think anything anymore. Writing this already makes me feel safe and contained. I feel that we need to be lost in this life at least once. It is because we are no longer resonating with our old self, old habit, and old perception about life. Everything in life is gradual. Healing is gradual. It happened layer by layer. Love is also a gradual thing. Every time we get hurt, the meaning of love is deeper, and we are closer to our true self. Whenever there is a setback or going back to the old feelings, it doesn't mean that the healing is not working, or we failed, or lost, or screwed. Believe me, it happened to me a lot, really, a lot. Feeling lost is a part of growth. This is the right thing to feel, and there is nothing wrong with you and us. The moment we shift our thinking, we are shifting into a new version of ourselves. The thing that makes it hard is because we want to change how we feel. We want to control our feeling and emotion. We don't want to feel the discomfort. We want to run away from ourselves. For me, this is the hardest step in healing, which is to allow all the pain to arise to our conscious mind so that we can see it, accept it, befriend it, let it be there, and not wanting to change it. I'm still experiencing the whole process, and I will always be, because there is no destination in life. All we have and want is always in this now moment. It is not an easy concept to understand. I'm still going back and forth between lost and found, and then lost again. After going through this hundreds of times, finally, I become a little bit stronger to face all of the part of myself that is not so pretty, that I used to deny and reject. So it's okay to feel lost, confused, and fed up with life. It is our higher self navigating us and guiding us to the new place we always want to be by clearing up the old energy, releasing it with love so that there is space for magic to enter. Whenever heavy emotion comes, feel it completely and then say, "Thank you, I chose this." At first, we will feel contraction, and that is the sign of the healing process. The most underrated skill that human is lacking is the ability to be neutral and okay with discomfort. We all have many coping mechanisms that actually prevent the healing to complete itself. So let's laugh together with me, feeling everything, and let's cry together. Let me sit with you in the darkness and bake this super lemony cake for you. I see you and I'm with you always. You are always, always good enough for me, no matter what.